I think it's time that we take a look at a Root D-150 double spindle horizontal boring machine with radial heads. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. You have to look at this machine multiple times in order to take in all that it is, both mechanically and cosmetically. This is a one-owner, small shop-owned machine that is both beautiful and functional. It has amazing graphics and paint, and it is unbelievable that it was never in production or shift run, considering these machines were marketed and sold primarily to large companies. Getting past the cosmetics, you will begin to realize the complete flexibility that this machine offers. Twin 2 horsepower 220 volt spindles, radial heads. The heads easily adjust on precision hand scraped guides. The table raises and lowers and also has adjustment forward and back. The head has a spring cushion and, if removed, allows for up to 8 inches of stroke. Even the foot pedal is adjustable up and down.